going to walk you through how to create a job form, how to use job form to create a payment process for a digital form. I actually use job form for a few forms that I collect data on. I have the free version. You get up to five documents, 100 submissions a month for free. Just starting out, that's reasonable. You're not paying anything out of pocket. If they collect payment, there's a percentage the payment processor will take, but other than that, that's it. So let's go through the process. I'm going to use one of the forms that I currently already have. When you start out, the first thing you're going to do is have to build the form, right? They give you templates. The templates determine how you want it to look, what you need to capture. This is name, email address, what describes you, and then I have an email capture option at the bottom, where basically if they agree to receive the information for me. That's it. I added an element here, and it's basically payments. I use Square. It's already here. But this is the form, and what they'll see once they fill out everything. This is their Square section. The next thing up at the top is settings. So first thing I did was set up an autoresponder, right? My autoresponder tells us you're in, your ebook is the next step inside. It tells them, thank you for downloading. Thank you for grabbing your free copy of Building a Tax Office, blah, 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 blah. These are your recipients, what they'll see. This is from RedTechX, and the reply email is from Jotform, and the recipient's email address. So this is what they'll see. The good thing about this is you can always send a text email. So whatever you send into the customer, you'll see. Okay. Once you get all your recipient information filled out and the emails are going where you want them to, go to advanced. This is how it will automatically trigger an email. When the submission is received or when a submission is edited, you can uncheck that if there's a digital product attached that they're paying for, because I don't want them to be charged more than once. This is a PDF of the document that I sent. Anything that's empty is they'll hide it, and it'll update the email if anything has been altered. That's it. You'll just hit save. So you've built the form. You went to settings. You set up your email autoresponder. You thank them for selecting your product. The next thing you're going to do is your recipient. Make sure that I normally don't have to change this unless you're using more than one company. Then go to advanced, attach the document, which is here where it says attach file. Hit save. Then this is your notification. This is just a duplicate of what they filled out when they sent it to you. So they'll get like a receipt. This is their receipt. And the same thing, their recipient, their advanced. Jotform automatically sends this out. And then the next auto respond, I have a tax group, and I'm inviting them into the tax group to learn additional information. So if you have a digital product and have a group, you can try this tactic as well. So that brings traction into the group, where you can send them or sell them things, or not sell, but offer them things in the group that are not available to everybody else. So that's just an option, but that's autoresponder. Hit save. So these are my response. These are automatic, regardless to what. They're going to send them automatically. So the next thing is integration. The integration is Square, right? We're going to add this form. We're going to create the product, whatever the product is. 700 tax office. Sorry, tax office with 700. Price $9.99. Place a description, an image. I don't really have an image. Gonna put my face. How about that? Hit save. And then you're done. Hit publish. And this is your direct link to your Jotform. You can share it wherever you like to share it. And that's it. You've completed your very own funnel that you did not have to pay out of pocket for. You are going to pay a percentage of the sales, but that's it. Very simple. The only thing you have to do is create the document, add value, make sure it's worth buying, and that's it. Congratulations on your first product.